What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. This box right here is an upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release March 19th. But before we get into the main attraction, you already know we got to take a quick look at some more upcoming releases. These joints right here, slated for release March 11th. They are on the website right now, shipping early. FineLine1721.com. So if you want to pick you up a pair, you can head over to the website. Also, if you want to check out the full review, it is live on the channel. Another quick look at a upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release, I believe, March 25th. March 24th or March 25th at the time of this video. The Air Jordan Retro 5J Horizon. These joints right here is on the website as well, FineLine1721.com. If you want to pick these joints up, they are shipping out early. If you want to check out the review, it is live on the channel as well. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Taking a look at the box right here. All gray box, red Jumpman. Label reads Air Jordan 13 Retro, white University Red Del Sol. Size 10.5 we're going to be taking a look at. Go ahead, flip this paper back and get right into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, you can see we have the Air Jordan Retro 13 Del Sol. Calling them the Del Sols, like, I get it because that's the color description that Nike placed on the box. But me personally, I would have liked for it to be called kind of like a reverse mellow PE. Same kind of yellow gold uppers on the back and the heels around like the midsoles. Taking a look at the front profile of the shoe. All white perforated tongue, thick white rope laces, red Jumpman logo, black tab with the white Jordan brand is sitting on the top. Taking a look at the insole of the shoe, all white sock liner, all white midsole with the red Jumpman as well. All leather side panel, no mesh on the shoe at all. Mud guard, and going around to the heel has that university gold colorway where it really looks like the university gold that was used on the Mellow PE. Got the black paws going around to the outsole, white, red, black carbon fiber. Flipping around to the medial side of the shoe, as stated, no mesh at all on the shoe. This is an all leather upper, and they definitely kind of remind you of like same type of material that you got on the Air Jordan Retro 13 Chicago. Basically, if you were satisfied with that material, you would be satisfied with the material that was placed on these. When it comes to Air Jordan Retro 13s, they kind of well constructed anyway. The most defective parts about the Air Jordan Retro 13 is probably just like the bleeding of the suede on the side panel going from the midsole to the outsole. Taking another last quick little 180. Super clean colorway in my opinion. Me personally, I am kind of biased to the Air Jordan Retro 13. This is my favorite silhouette out of all of the Air Jordans that were made. If you're a fan of the Retro 13, like I am, and a fan of this colorway, you can head over to the website, FineLine1721.com. They are shipping out right now ahead of the release date of March 19th. That about wraps it up for this review. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same. FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.